So students, now today we'll study about the new chapter, that is powers and exponent, the chapter number 2. Now after starting going through this chapter, we'll come to know these points. Out of that, the second point is very important, understanding the negative exponents, which we have not done in the 7th standard. Even though we have done this chapter in the 7th standard, but here in the 8th standard what is being introduced is the use of negative exponents and use of some rational exponents also there in some of the books. Now let us introduce this one. As we know that we have studied 2 raised to the power of 3, it's written. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, written 3 times. So it's a shorter way of writing the exponential form, powers and exponents, and the results comes out to be equals to 8. So instead of writing 2 into 2 3 times, we can also write 2 raised to the power of 3, where the number 2 is appearing 3 times. So if you take a raised to the power of n, so a will be written how many times? N times, where n must be a positive integer, because whenever we say the number of times, it has to be a positive integer. Now in the notation a raised to the power of n, a is called the base. What is the base here? In the 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 is said to be the base here. And n is called the exponent or index. N is here 3. In the 2 raised to the power of 3, 3 is my index or my exponent. And a raised to the power of n is read as the nth power of a. You can read it as like this way, or a raised to the power of n, or a raised to the power of n.